What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and here again with another tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recover lost streaks. So you're streaking and one day or all of a sudden you just forget that you got streaks going on. It's very normal, it just happened to me too, and I thought maybe I should put a video for you guys. So I'm just going to go into my Snapchat. I'm gonna look for someone who I recently lost my streak with. So there's like her here. I lost it. I think that was yesterday. Yeah, I just had like a lot of issues and things to deal with. So I'll get her. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna know her username. I mean, the person's username. So P Waxidis. Alright, I'm gonna just get that. Then you go to the browser. Then you're gonna search Snapchat streak support. The first one is the one you're going to use, is the one I usually use. That comes up. You're gonna see the format when it loads. Alright, so you click on this one which says my snap streaks disappeared. Scroll down, then you're gonna start with your Snapchat username, meaning you, the person who wants to get back. So my username is damn. Then we're gonna put the person's username, this one. Yeah, don't mind that stuff. I think I lost it once or so again I've lost it again. Sorry about that, Miza. I keep on losing focus. Then I had this issue, what's the date today? 24th, so 23rd. Yeah, that was yesterday. I think my streak was at 140, I don't know, somewhere there. Then I honestly didn't see this, so I'm gonna put no. Most of the times you just put no because most people don't see it. I didn't see it because I never logged in here. Then here you just put the streak disappeared after some time. So you just go through it again, your username, your email address, your number, the device you're using, your friend's username, the date it started having this issue, and the streak count before it expired. Then you just click send. That's it. You should receive your confirmation with your case, blah blah blah. Then just give it some time. I'm sure it's gonna show up. Yeah, it's that easy, honestly. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comments. Yeah, you can just ask me anything. I'll reply to you as fast as I can. Yeah, so if you like the video, I know some of my videos are really short, but please leave a like. It really helps with the channel and helps me to keep on removing these videos for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.